Hello and welcome back to part 2 of my lecture series Basics of English Learning for Beginners. Last time we covered vowels and consonants, and today we are going to learn about articles of the English language. A, an and the are called articles. Today we'll learn how and when to use them. Rule number 1 is that articles, let me write that down for you. Articles are used in front of nouns. Nouns. Do you know what nouns are? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, bat is a thing. Doctor is a person. House is a place. Cat is an animal. So, person, place, animal and thing. Names of these four things are called nouns. So, articles are used in front of nouns. Rule number 2. A and an are used in front of all singular, countable nouns. Singular means single, meaning one in number. Countable, of course, means that can be counted. For example, a coin can be counted, but water cannot be counted. So, a and an are used before singular countable nouns. If we have more than one noun, for example, 2 dogs, then we will not use a or an. Now, there are subparts of this rule. If the singular noun starts with a vowel, then our article would be an. And if the singular countable noun starts with a consonant, then our article would be a. You can pronounce it as a. Now, let's look at some examples. My word is apple. We know that a is a vowel. Therefore, it will be called an apple. And we know bat, B-A-T, bat, starts with a consonant. Therefore, it will be called a bat or a bat. Let's try and guess which articles to use for these words. Book starts with B, which is a consonant, therefore it will be a book. Similarly, an ant, a house, an elephant, and an egg. What about air? Air starts with a. Therefore, will it be called an air or a air? An air or a air? Actually, none of these. Why? Because air is not countable. Neither is it singular. Therefore, we will not use an article with it. Similar to air, there are some other examples as well. Let's look at these. Would you say a love or an love? A knowledge or an knowledge? A water, an water, a tea, an tea. What is the answer? Which one of these? Actually, none. Why? Because none of these is countable. We cannot